Happy Saturday. It is almost, I guess it's 10:30. I'm heading to a yoga class right now. It starts at 11, but I want to get like a good spot. So I'm heading there now. It takes about like 15 minutes to get there. I thought I would bring you along for a little wellness weekend in Los Angeles. I am home in Venice right now and I don't have a ton of plans, but I know I want to prioritize working out. Maybe I'm gonna go to the sauna after yoga. I want to get a juice after, and I need to pick up cat litter, so that's something that I need to do today. Nothing crazy this weekend, but I thought I would bring you along because why not? And it's fun. So let's go to yoga. So I just finished yoga. Well, kind of. I also went to the grocery store. And next to Ralph's is Creation, so I stopped in and grabbed some juice. So let me do a little haul really quick. But I picked up this green juice because I want to start. I've just been drinking juice more and I'm really into it right now. This has pineapple, cucumber, spinach, romaine, parsley, turmeric, aloe vera, chia seeds, and chlorophyll. And I already, this is filled with chlorophyll right now. I already get enough of that, but I wanted it because of the chia seeds. And I got this sea moss Feel Better little shot because my throat kind of hurts, but maybe that's just because I keep my window open at night. I don't know. This has sea moss, lemon, ginger, turmeric, cayenne, and salt. So let's give this a little try. Ooh! Anyways, I'm getting a call. Gotta go shower. Gonna also make chia seed pudding and catch you later. I just cleaned up the house a bit and now I'm having some brunch. I made this matcha chia seed mixture with some homemade granola. It's not totally ready yet, but I'm hungry, so we're eating it. The homemade granola has some almond slivers and coconut oil. It's really delicious. And then some bee pollen as well. And then I have two hard-boiled eggs, just with salt and pepper, just to keep me full for a little bit longer. And this is my fuel to go thrifting. Just left Mitsuwa Marketplace, and this is my haul. I'm so excited about this little mug. It is just all the different types of cats. It was only $8. I needed some cleansing wipes, so I got these. I got a matcha to boost my energy, and as a snack I got a spicy salmon rice ball. Super excited about this. And then as a little sweet treat, these looked super cute, so I was going to try it out. I'm just getting ready for girls' night. I'm about to head out. I'm waiting for my Uber right now. It's 5:40. I'm meeting everybody at 5:50. It's only 7 minutes away. We're going to a place called Bodega. It is a wine bar. They're actually known for Wine Wednesday because they have half off bottles. So I've never been not on a Wednesday. So it'll be really fun. They have good pizza. I've had their pizza. It's really good. Yeah, I'll do a little outfit check because why not? Here, I'll set you down over here. I have this thrifted little 90s work top, I guess. It has ruffles. Not a huge ruffle girl, but I love the way this cinches around my waist. And I just leave a couple unbuttoned here, and then the sleeves are just gorgeous as well. It has a little slit and then ruffle details along the sides. I guess you can't really see the pants I'm wearing. I have on these little, what are these? I don't know these pants, but they're low-waisted. I'm a low-rise girl. I know that offends some people. I know they hate low-rise, but I love my Y2K moments. And then I have these thrifted boots. I got these for $5. They're actually go all the way to right here. So this is what they look like. We love them. They flake off a little bit on the interior, so I just kind of brush that aside. So yeah, I'm just, let's see, is my Uber almost here? I'm meeting 2 of my girlfriends, pickups in 1 minute. So yeah, that's the gist. Also, I guess I have time to show you my favorite lip products. This is my holy grail. This is Skin by Ella Rose. She's an influencer. I went to her pop-up that was here like a couple months ago in Venice, and I just got one of those in the color Ladybug. That is what's on my lips and what's on my cheeks. Love that product. Okay, well, my Uber's here. I gotta go. I'll see you at Bodega. Perfect. Happy Sunday. It is about 11:15. I am, oh, you can see Cash. Hey buddy. I'm going to go play paddle with my friend at 11:30. I have my little workout set on in this little juicy Y2K jacket that I thrifted like a couple months ago. Today I definitely need to go to the grocery store. I definitely want to get a smoothie, and I don't know, just gonna be a chill day. I might go for like a little evening walk, and I have a ton of like little free libraries around where I live, so I like to go check like whatever's in the like little free library to see if there's any books that I like. I need to start a new book today. I finished, what was I reading? I was reading a book called Circe, and it's just about like the Greek goddess and gods, and it was pretty good. So I have a couple books right now. I'll show you actually. I have a couple books to choose from. I have Night Road by Kristen Hanna. Kristen Hanna is one of my favorite authors. I heard that this one's a bit sad, so I don't know if I'm prepared to read a sad book right now. So that's a maybe, but we love Kristen Hanna, so. This one is new. It's called Beautiful Ugly. I'm pretty sure it's like a mystery, like, yeah, I think it's just a mystery. My boyfriend Alex read it, and he told me that it was amazing and that I need to read it. So these are the only 2 options I have right now. I have a library card, so I can always go to the library and pick something up. But yeah, I didn't want to like go to the library today, so I'll probably just either start one of those, or if I see something in the free library, like on my walk later, I'll pick it up. Yeah, I don't really have anything huge planned today. I usually like to keep Sundays low-key. I cleaned the house yesterday, so I luckily don't really have to clean anything today. Maybe like the bathroom a little bit, and like the stove. That's about it. I might go to the farmer's market, not sure. Lily and I are running a bit late today, so it probably doesn't make sense to like only go there while it's like closing. So yeah, nothing crazy. Last night we just kind of like chilled and like talked and hung out. It was really fun at Bodega. It was super crowded. There was like an event going on there as well, and like it kind of seemed like a little bake sale because there was like croissants and loaves that people were selling like inside. So that was cool. Yeah. So let's go play paddle, and I'll catch up with you later. Alex and I are making dinner. We're having a glass of wine, and we have the Trader Joe's mushroom ravioli. And then Alex is mixing
sprucing up the Caesar.
A Caesar salad. Oops. We did anchovies and like all sorts of things.
Full garlic, full fresh lemons.
And then you gotta try an anchovy. And I know you're waiting to play, sweetie. Cash right now is obsessed with these little feathers. And we have a bottle of Pessimist, and this Trader Joe's wine is the best. This is what it looks like. It's like, how much do we pay for the Pessimist at Trader Joe's?
Like $22. It's
It's
so good.
so good. That's our Trader Joe's wine recommendation. And then we have this little munchkin over here, just watching us cook.
Oh, these need to go.
Here. Look, it's crazy.